So I have made and filled 3 100 mils of the Dark and Sweet Balsamic set and 3 50 mils. And I'm going to show you just how to put them together because it's slightly different than the variety set. The variety set, frankly, just has so many bottles in it that you really need the bag, but you don't need a bag for these 100 and 50 mil sets that are just 3 products or 2 products. So I'm going to stack them together with the writing all in front. On the 50 mils, if your wax is too high here, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but as I took them off, I just kind of touched it with my finger and pushed it down a little bit, frankly, so I didn't have too much wax. If you have wax dripping down here, you're going to have to remove it, otherwise they will not stand straight. These are standing just straight. I need to move that way. And again, we're using our shiny clear Scotch tape. And all we're gonna do is then put a bow on it. So now, when we do have the hang tags, in addition to the bow, we're going to put a hang tag on this, and we will probably just tape the twine in the back so that it doesn't fly off the moment the customer takes it off the shelf. So this is the 50 mil, and this, it's not really super important what comes first, obviously, because this is all the same thing. If this was a mixed set, like a tropical stack, I'd want you to put a vinegar on the top, because again, that's gonna help protect the oils underneath. But we don't have that issue with this one, so we're all facing the same direction. You're laying it flat. Hooking it under the bottom and also gives it a little bit more stability. And I need another bow. Kathy, do you have another bow for me? All right, so I'm gonna put a little bow on it. Again, you can have different colors of bows for the product. We'll put a hang tag and we'll tape the twine back to the back of the set, not the front of the set, but the back of the set so it doesn't fall off. So on your shelf, this is what it should look like. It should look like something like this. So just like with the alcohol, the customer's going to have a choice of 200 or 50 mil, 100 mil, and 200 mil. And the prices, I believe, are 28, 38, and 60. So that way, you can always say to the customer who wants to get the smallest one, well, you know, for $32 more, you're gonna get 4 times as much in this one, right? If the customer wants this one, well, for $22 more, you're gonna get twice as much in this one. Or from 28 to 38 for $10 more, you get twice as much in this one. So the hope is we'll be moving more products by offering the customers the option of 3 different sizes. This is how it should be displayed on your shelf, with the shelf tag that says that this is what it is, this is the price, and the shelf tag is also going to say there's lots more where this came from, so that the customer doesn't go, oh, I can only have one. Okay?